Okay, Gary, my friend, this one's for you. Based on our conversation yesterday, we have to establish what the rules are before we can agree how to break the rules and make face-melting, awesome sounding music. So, job one, scale. So, when we make a chord off of each one of these notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, each chord has to contain the notes of the root in order for it to make sense and sound good against the root. So the one chord, we know what a G chord looks like. Regular old G chord, it's got a 1, a 5, a 1, 3, 5, 1. Now, in order to make go into the world of sevens, the one chord, in order for it to contain only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole notes, the one chord has a major 7. And if you look at the notes that are in there, you got a 1, a major 7, because it's a half step behind the 1, a 1, a major 7, a 3, and a 5. The 4 chord is the only other chord that has a major 7. And here's the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the 4 chord. Look at a C, regular C. Now here's your 1, 5, 1, 3. Half step behind that 1 is the major 7. So in order to convert that, we have to bring in another finger. We have a 1, a 5, a major 7, and a 3. So the 1 chord, 4 chord. And everything else is going to follow the same rules. So if that's our 4 chord, here's our 5 chord. The 5's got to have a dominant 7. So here's a 1, 5, 1, 3. Here's a 1, 5, flat 7, 3. So it follows the rules. The 6 has to be minor. There's a minor 7. Here's the 1, 3, also minor. 1, 3 minor 7, 4 major 7, 5 dominant, 6 minor. So the rules apply across the board for first level understanding how to put chords together. 1 major. And this chord, it looks a little odd at first because of the way you've got your fingers laid out to make an A-shaped major 7 chord. The other thing about the 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, that's a perfectly acceptable chord, but in kind of jazz and blues, we say, well, let's make a 7 another way. Let's make a 9 chord, which is 1, 3, 7, 2, and then there's a 5 at the bottom. That's a much more practical and easy to play chord. This one's okay, but it's a little twangy. This one's just a more fun chord, and you can move it around. So that 9 chord is a legitimate 7 with its 5, and we're going to add the 2 right here. Notice how it's a whole step behind the 3. So seeing the layout of this one is important for a dominant 7 chord, and the 5 chord is called the dominant 7 for a reason. It's the only chord in the rules that has a 1, a 3, and a flat 7. Of course, it's got a 5. 1, 3, flat 7, 5. So it's the only chord that gets it. Remember, the others are either a major 7 or some sort of minor. But that minor chord has all the elements of the root G chord. It's just rearranged to these notes in order for it to have one of these notes. It's got to have one of those tones in it to get into the club. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coming later. Call with questions.